begin by sitting in Vajrasana, and what you want to do is basically stand onto your knees and widen your legs really nice. Bring your palms facing down, your fingers facing down onto the back of your hip, and slowly inhale first and exhale, slowly push your hips forward and slowly bringing your arms to your ankles and arch back. Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths.
Take your right knee in between your hands and stretch your left leg out, okay? To stretch your left leg out, tuck your toes, pull your leg out, pull the knee back and then stretch. Again tuck, pull and then stretch your ankle out, okay? See to that you don't do this tilting, then your arch will not be more. Press the palm on your butt and then push your thigh muscles down towards the mat. Place your palms in between your legs and then push your palms, drop your neck down, stay here for 2 to 3 breaths nicely.
Transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose, press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body.
Lie flat on your back. Inhale and slowly bring your knees close to your chest. With your arms stretched on the inside of the legs, hold your big toes using a toe lock and gently open up your hips and widen your legs to deepen the stretch. Please make sure your head is resting on the floor. Stack each ankle directly over the knee so that the shins are perpendicular to the floor. Press your tailbone, sacrum down to the floor while you press your heels up, pulling back with your arms. The shoulders, whole area of your back and spine should be pressed flat on the floor. Press the knees down to feel the stretch in the hip, inner groin and thigh.
Sit with our right leg, soles of our right leg in our inner thigh of our left leg. And bending down all the way, catching hold of your legs. You're going to place your forehead on your knee.